Yet another defendant in the election interference case wants the charges dismissed and Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis removed.
Yeah, former Georgia Republican Chair David Shafer has joined onto an early motion. Good day's Mark Teichner is live at the Fulton County Courthouse with our new this morning story. Good morning, Mark.
Yeah, good morning, guys. Shafer says that as a result of this now admitted relationship between Fani Willis and Special Prosecutor Nathan Wade, she should be removed and the charges against him should be dismissed. Needless to say, she does not share that opinion. Former Georgia GOP Chair David Shafer is accused of organizing and being a fake 2020 presidential elector. He wants the 8 counts, including a racketeering charge against him, dismissed and Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis removed from the case. While opting in to an earlier motion filed by co-defendant Michael Roman, Shafer claimed Willis had engaged in a, quote, pattern of prosecutorial forensic misconduct. At issue is Willis's now admitted personal relationship with Special Prosecutor Nathan Wade, who she's paid more than $650,000 and taken trips with to California and the Caribbean. Last week, in her response to the motion, Willis called the allegations, quote, salacious, based on public relations strategy, not legal argument. She also said Wade made more money because he did more work. In a sworn statement, Wade said his relationship with Willis began months after he was hired. Legal experts seem split on how the judge might rule on the motion during next week's hearing.
Somebody having a personal relationship is not a conflict as to whether or not they can perform their duty as an attorney or as a prosecutor.
And I think Judge McAfee will take it very seriously. And I think every bit of information that comes out continues to put the district attorney in a bad light.
Among those who have signed on to this motion are 2 other co-defendants, one of them being none other than former President Donald Trump. Reporting live from the Fulton County Courthouse, I'm Mark Teichner for Good Day Atlanta.
We'll continue to stay on it. Mark, thank you.